Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car review, and in today's video we will be checking out the Pop Race PR64 number 66 Pandem GR Yaris, and this is now colored in red and white for the Marlboro collaboration or sponsorship, 1/64 scale and in incognito, and if you might be wondering, yes, this is the final out of the 3 announced Yarises that was on its way. Now you might be thinking, what are the other 2 Yarises? You can go check it out from my playlist, my Pop Race playlist. It is actually the Golf Yaris, Pandem Yaris, as well as the Coca-Cola Pandem Yaris, the one colored in red, and also the Golf colored in light blue and also dark blue. So yeah, as you can see right here, this is the missing third car, third Yaris, which is the Marlboro Pop Race Pandem GR Yaris. And as you can see, lovely gorgeous red and white paint scheme all over the box. As you can see, there's the car right there, as well. You have some the same thing right here, just it's differently on this one. This is Pop Race right here, and then Pop Race right there as well. For the bottom of the box, I mean the back. Oops. Warnings, blah blah blah. Pop Race, Toyota official licensed product. Then there's the car, and there's your barcode if you need it. And I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Like the one that we got from the Golf, the Golf version comes in this black, this, like I said, this black blister right here. Whereas the one that's the Coca-Cola one, that came in sort of like, how to say, it came in sort of like this interesting screw technique where it's sort of like a base, but it doesn't come with an acrylic. The base is even small actually, if you ask me. It has a quite small base if you ask me, and yeah, I really do like it. It's very nice. So here we have the Toyota GR Yaris, the Pandem GR Yaris, and yeah, just looking at it, it looks very, very nice if you ask me personally. Colored in red as well as white right here, which is nice. You do have that sort of like Marlboro style design that is very nice. Marlboro always goes with red and white most of the time because yeah, even their packaging most of the time is in red and white, so that's actually a great thumbs up. So the previous one, like I said, we got was the Coca-Cola as well as the Golf livery, and yeah, those 2 are great overall, not gonna lie. They are great Yarises if you ask me personally, and yeah, to me, having too many Yarises is not really my thing. So yeah, I collect those that I really need or maybe really want, and keep it in my collection, of course. So Pop Race, I think so far I only have 4 to 5 Yarises, I think. One from Tarmac Works, that's something that I haven't reviewed. Yeah, I guess that's all, maybe. Overall, this Marlboro design looks very nice on this car, and I really do like it. It's overall very nicely done. You can see the Pandem body kit and all. The white body is also very great. And I guess without further ado, let's take a closer look at the car. Before I forget to mention, I forgot to actually mention this at the start of the video. Hold on. You might be thinking, where did I manage to buy this Pandem GR Yaris? I actually managed to buy it from the 2 Monster Shop, which is a store located at Tamarind Square, Cyberjaya. You can go visit their store at Cyberjaya. It's either by going there or If you want to buy it online, you can go ahead and buy it from their TikTok shop or their Shopee page if you need to. And yeah, that's all basically. Let's take a closer look, a detailed look at this Pandem GR Yaris, which looks gorgeous. Here is the Toyota Pandem GR Yaris right here, looking very nice right there. If you ask me personally, yeah, this is a very nice livery right here. Rims, we have 6-spoke white rims with a silver lining right there. Rubber tires, by the way. So you do have the Pandem body kit, like I said. You have the wide body right here, which says Michelin. Then you have the intake right here on the side, liquid moly. Now what is that? Tag Heuer, which is nice. Not many cars managed to get those sponsors right there. Marlboro, Toyota Racing Team, Boss, and then Recaro, Shell, very nice. Yaris right there, Michelin, don't know what is that. That's very cool. You can actually see from the side that you can see that the roll cage is there, which is cool. Blacked out side mirrors right there as well. Michelin. Oh, you do have the FIA logo, which is not really easy to get on these sort of licensed models right here, which are quite interesting. Moving towards the front, you do have these aggressive headlights right here, which are transparent and regular tint, obviously. You do have a bit of black trim all over the place right here at the front. Toyota logo right there. This massive front intake right here, obviously in the front. Yaris right there. You have some intakes here as well. And then you have the massive canards right here on the side. You have this extended front splitter right here in the front. Moving towards the hood, it says Marlboro, Toyota Racing Team, and then you do have 2 Shell logos right there and some orange stripes. And then towards the interior, regular windshield tint as well. Blacked out dashboard, blacked out seats, basically blacked out interior. You do have something on the windshield, which is the windshield banner, which is colored in white, and it says Gran Turismo, which is not actually easy to get the licensing, like I said. You do have this blacked out roof, pretty simple and all. And moving towards the side right here, that is pretty cool, pretty much the same thing. You can see the massive rear spoiler right here, colored in white. And then moving towards the back of the car, you do have the red colored rear lights right here, transparent, and then Toyota logo, Marlboro, Toyota Racing Team, and then you do have the back of the car. I believe these are brake lights, I'm not entirely sure. So you do have the single exhaust system on both sides right there, which is nice. Matte black base, metal by the way. Yeah, pot race, which is interesting. And yeah, I believe that's all for me to say for this car. I really do like these sort of themed cars, not themed, but specifically more to sponsorship cars, basically cars with more sponsors that proves that it is a good brand and also good model. And Pop Race, yeah, Pop Race is known for doing these sort of cars, especially with their Yarises, their Porsches, Porsche, like the Porsche Singer, if you don't know. What else? The R34 Stagia, that is also quite famous. And overall, I would say this is also a great hit so far. What I say, how would I rank the Gulf versus the Coca-Cola? I would say maybe I'd still prefer the Coca-Cola more, as yeah, the Coca-Cola looks great, simple and all, but still I really do like it compared to the Gulf nor the Marlboro edition. But still, in my opinion, all 3 of them are still great. Nonetheless, they are very nice, lovely castings, which I do really like. And yeah, I hope maybe in the future I will get more of these Pandem Yarises, If the design is great and all, then I will get my hands on them. If not, I won't be touching them at all. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching some other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to get your hands on this, go ahead and visit 2 Monster Shop at Tamarind Square, Sabijaya. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.